Did you know over 80% of people experience acne at some point in their life? One of the biggest reasons isn't just hormones, it's improper skin cleansing. Acne is more than just a skin problem. It doesn't only affect your appearance, it can cause pain, discomfort, and even lower your confidence in daily life. Many people try to cover it up, but the real solution starts with understanding why acne happens and how to properly care for your skin. Don't worry, clear skin takes time. In this video, we'll uncover the truth about acne and reveal the right way to cleanse your skin for a clearer, healthier look. Let's glow. Why acne appears. Acne forms when excess oil mixes with dirt and dead skin cells, clogging pores. This creates the perfect environment for bacteria to grow, leading to blackheads, whiteheads, and inflamed pimples. Even if you don't wear heavy makeup, removing makeup and sunscreen at the end of the day is essential. Dirt, oil, and sunscreen residues can clog pores and make acne worse if they are not properly cleansed. Use a gentle makeup remover or micellar water to lift away impurities without irritating the skin. This step ensures that your face wash can work more effectively and that your pores stay clear and healthy. Gentle face cleansing. Cleansing is the most important step, but do it gently. Choose a mild pH-balanced cleanser, bead-free and free from harsh detergents. Gently massage for 30 to 60 seconds to remove oil and bacteria, then rinse with cool water. Avoid scrubbing hard, which can damage the skin. Toner, balance your skin. After cleansing, apply a gentle, alcohol-free toner to remove leftover residue, tighten pores, and restore your skin's pH. Toner also prepares the skin to better absorb subsequent treatments. Use acne treatments wisely. Ingredients like salicylic acid, BHA, glycolic acid, AHA, or niacinamide can unclog pores and reduce inflammation. Start slowly with lower concentrations. Avoid overuse to prevent dryness and peeling. Consistency beats aggression. Moisturize and protect. Even acne-prone skin needs a non-comedogenic moisturizer. During daytime, always apply a sunscreen suitable for acne-prone skin to protect from UV and prevent dark spots. Healthy lifestyle. Drink plenty of water, helps flush toxins. Drinking enough water every day is not only good for your health, but also a natural beauty secret. Water helps detoxify the body by flushing out toxins through sweat and urine, reducing the risk of clogged pores, a major cause of acne. When your body is well hydrated, your skin stays naturally moisturized, smooth, and produces less excess oil. Aim to drink 1.5 to 2 liters of water daily. Spread evenly throughout the day instead of all at once. Eat fruits and vegetables. Provide vitamins and antioxidants. A diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber has a direct impact on your skin. Fruits and vegetables provide vitamins A, C, E, and antioxidants that strengthen immunity, heal skin, and prevent inflammation. Fiber also supports digestion, reducing toxin buildup. A key cause of breakouts include leafy greens, oranges, grapefruits, apples, carrots, or avocados in your daily meals. Oily, fried, and spicy foods can stimulate excess sebum production, clogging pores and triggering breakouts. These foods may also cause internal heat and hormonal imbalance, making acne inflammation worse. Try to limit fast food, fried chicken, or spicy noodles. and replace them with healthier meals rich in vegetables and low in oil to protect your skin from within. To nourish your skin from within, sleep early and enough. Skin repairs during quality sleep. Quality sleep is essential for skin regeneration and repair. During deep sleep, your body produces collagen and growth hormones, key factors that keep skin elastic and healthy. Lack of sleep or staying up late raises cortisol levels, leading to excess oil production and breakouts. Try to go to bed before 11 p.m. and maintain 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night so your skin has enough time to recover. Relax and manage stress. Reducing stress helps prevent breakouts. Your mindset directly affects your skin. Prolonged stress disrupts hormones, stimulates oil glands, and worsens acne. That's why staying relaxed is crucial. Try light exercise, meditation, yoga, listening to music, reading, or doing hobbies you enjoy. A positive mindset not only benefits your health, but also gives you clearer, brighter skin. Caring for acne-prone skin isn't a quick fix. With the right routine, removing makeup, sunscreen, gentle cleansing, balancing toner, sensible treatments, proper moisturization, and healthy habits, you'll see improvement over time. Be patient, be gentle, and know that healthier skin is achievable. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips.